Hello, dear fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into the heart of one of Mother Nature's most incredible wonders, Niagara Falls. But don't just brace yourselves for the usual facts. We're about to dive deep into the mystique that shrouds this magnificent natural wonder. Get ready to be enchanted by 10 mysterious facts about Niagara Falls that will leave you utterly spellbound. So, let's not waste a second and dive right in. Niagara Falls has forever been a place of awe and wonder. But what if I told you that beneath its powerful beauty lies a world of mysteries and secrets? Well, stay right here with us, and together, we'll peel back the layers of the unknown. Fact 1. The disappearing bodies. Our first mystery, the disappearing bodies. Can you believe it? Over the years, some unfortunate souls have gone over the falls, and not all of them have been found. Could there be hidden underwater caves or some other force at play? Join us as we embark on this intriguing investigation. Fact 2. The haunting legend of the Maid of the Mist. Now, let's delve into the world of legends with the haunting legend of the Maid of the Mist. Local tales speak of a ghostly maiden seen drifting in the fall's mist. Is she real, or is it a mere trick of the light? Together, we'll explore the eerie history behind this mystifying legend. Fact 3. The Frozen Falls. Our next revelation is the Frozen Falls. Yes, you heard it right. Niagara Falls has frozen over in the past. But how and when does this extraordinary event occur? Get ready to be captivated as we unveil the fascinating science behind this rare spectacle. Fact 4. The mystery of the Great Lakes. Fact number 4 takes us deep into the mystery of the Great Lakes. Niagara Falls connects two of North America's Great Lakes. But have you ever wondered why they haven't overflowed? We'll unravel the hidden mechanics that keep them in perfect balance. Fact 5. The Daredevils of Niagara. Prepare to hold your breath as we dive into the Daredevils of Niagara. These brave souls have challenged fate by going over the falls in barrels and daring contraptions. But, remarkably, some have survived against all odds. Are they blessed or just incredibly fortunate? Together, we'll uncover the incredible stories of these daredevils. Fact 6. The Whirlpool Mystery. Fact number 6 sweeps us into the whirlpool mystery. Niagara's whirlpools are nothing short of mesmerizing, but they've also claimed ships and objects, seemingly making them vanish into another dimension. What's causing this aquatic enigma? Stay with us, and we'll get to the bottom of it. Fact 7. The Eerie Silence. Hold on to your seats for the eerie silence. Despite the thunderous roar of the falls, there are moments when they go mysteriously quiet. What brings about these eerie moments of hushed wonder? Together, we'll reveal the science behind this unique phenomenon. Fact 8. The Hidden Caverns. Fact number 8 leads us to the hidden caverns. Beneath Niagara Falls lie secret caves and tunnels that very few have ventured into. What secrets do these hidden chambers hold? Join us as we journey into the depths of the unknown. Fact 9. The Unsolved Mysteries. Get ready to immerse yourself in the unsolved mysteries of Niagara Falls. From puzzling disappearances to unexplained phenomena, there are stories that continue to baffle experts. We'll guide you through some of the most captivating mysteries that still leave us in awe. Fact 10. The Future of Niagara Falls. Lastly, we'll look ahead to the future of Niagara Falls. What lies in store for this natural wonder? Can we protect it for generations to come? Together, we'll explore the tireless conservation efforts and ongoing research that will ensure Niagara's legacy endures. And there you have it, dear friends, 10 mysterious facts about Niagara Falls that have left us in profound admiration of this majestic wonder. If you've been as captivated as we have, don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting that likes button and subscribing for more thrilling explorations of our enigmatic world. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep uncovering the mysteries that surround us. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.